Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you what Beebeecraft has sent me. They asked me if I wanted to pick out some stuff again, and of course, yes I do. So, they have a new program where you have to have 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. And they want you to do 3 videos. They want you to do an unpacking and then 2 videos using your items that you got. I think that is very reasonable. They have amazing products, and I will share their link below. And if I can, I will link the products that I chose for you. And yeah, so let's get started. So, Beebeecraft, brilliant choices for crafting, of course, yes. And that is their logo. So, what I chose was, and I thought I would be getting one of these because I knew it was a large amount, but they sent me 2 of these huge rolls of lace. Now, let me see if I can see on my paper how many yards that is. And I don't think it tells me, no. But I knew this would be a lot, but I thought it would just be 1. So anyway, there I go, crinkling. This is just the white, and this is like the cream color. And look how beautiful that is. And it is wide. Like it is, let me tell you here. It is 6 inches wide. So that is like, you know, if you were doing a journal, that would cover the cover of a journal. That's how large it is. And there is so much on here, and it's not very soft. It's a little bit crinkly, but I think if you washed it, it would turn softer. And you can put sequins in here. It would have to be pretty large sequins though, because the little holes are quite large. It might work. I'm not sure. I'll have to try that and let you know when I do a demonstration on this. But yeah, there is a lot on here, and that is the white, so I'm excited for that. Then I got these die cuts. Now this is a set. They kind of look like dog bones to me, but I believe they are tags. Now I've seen, who did I see have these? I'm not sure who got these. Was it Callie? But somebody got these, and I'm like, those are so neat. You could even use them like to wrap samples around that you're sending your friends in Happy Mail. And there's 3 sizes. And then there's a little ribbon here, and there's a flower. So that'll be cute. Yeah, and you can take them apart, and there's 3 of those. So that's the first one, first die cut. Then this package comes in a set, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets in here. So this one is like the scalloped edges die cut, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. So that is just awesome. I love this. And then this is like the rectangles, but they have the rounded edges. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let me show you first how big this one is. This one is 5.5 by 4 inches. So yeah, it's a large size. And then this one is 4 by 3, a little bit over 3. the largest one, and then they go down. And there's 2, 4, 6 in that one. Then these ones are like, I don't even know what they're called, but anyways, they're a really cool shape. I like that. And there's 2, 4, 5 in there. And these are, I would say 3.5 by 3.5, so they're square. And I just love the shapes. These are going to be coming so handy. Then I got this one, and this one has like the stitching all around. I'll go back to this one. This one has the stitching all around, and this one does not. And then this one has little dots. So I don't know if they will cut through or not, but I will show you that anyway. I just wanted to give you my initial reaction to these. Yeah, so I love it that they have the stitch lines. Now, these are hexagons, these ones. And there's 2, 4, 6, 7 in here. And these have stitching on them also, but you'll see that the stitching is larger than in these. So they come up with the most awesome details on their die cuts. Like, who would have thought, like, to put smaller ones here and larger ones there. So, and like little dots on this one. Like, how awesome is that? Like, everyone is so unique and different. So that is my Beebeecraft, what they sent me. And I will be back for sure to show you what I do with these. I'm so excited to be given the opportunity to use their items again. And I will leave links below. Please go check them out. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. I would love to have you. And give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.